Hi, are you out there shopping for a house and have you been pre-approved? Well, today I'm going to talk to you about how not to sabotage your pre-approval. My name is Richard Woodward with Interlink Mortgage, and I've been doing mortgages for 17 years. I've seen a lot of things come and go in the industry, but today getting a mortgage can be a little bit more challenging than it has been in the past. All lenders have different rules and guidelines. So I'm going to only talk about what is important to our company, which is the general accepted norm. So let's look at what you should not do during the transaction. First thing you should not do is apply for any new credit. Once you've gotten your approval done and you have a house under contract, don't apply for any new credit. Most lenders are going to pull what they call a credit update 10 days prior to closing, and that's going to show any new credit that's been applied for or any new large purchases on credit. And this could in fact raise your debt to income ratio and cause you not to be approved. The next thing is changing jobs. You don't want to change jobs during the process. I've had borrowers take a new job midway through it, and even though they're increasing in value, sometimes that can get you declined because you're changing industries or something like that. So best thing to do, stay in your current job until you close on your new house. Don't deposit any cash into your checking or savings accounts that you're going to use for your down payment. Cash is not an acceptable form of down payment and closing cost, and any large deposits that go into your bank statements have to be documented and sourced from where they came, just to ensure that you're not getting borrowing money and putting it into your checking accounts. And liquidating stocks and bonds, try and do this early in the process, but if you do have to use this for your down payment, which is perfectly fine, make sure you can provide a paper trail from your stock account or your retirement account into your new checking or into your checking and savings accounts. The underwriters are going to want to see this. And don't be afraid to ever ask a question. If you have something that you're concerned about in your transaction, pick up the phone, call your loan officer, or call my team at 214-945-1066. We'll be happy to address any concerns that you might have. Next thing you want to do during the loan process is make sure you have all your documentation, all your tax returns, any divorce decrees if you're divorced, any release of liens or anything like that. Have all your paperwork accessible to you. Don't pack them up and put them into storage while you're trying to buy a house. Bad thing to do. Do provide all your income documentations, pay stubs, tax returns, and W-2s, 1099s from all your jobs right up front. That'll help the process very, very well. Keep track of all those and request them early if you don't know where they are. Your assets, which are your bank statements, your 401ks, things like that, always keep your documentation and print out or download a statement. And if it says 1 of 8, make sure you have all 8 pages. If you're going to get a gift for your down payment or closing cost, make sure that you inform your loan officer about getting this gift. Gifts are fine in most transactions, but you have to paper trail it from the donor, and the donor in most cases have to give their bank statement to show they have the funds and then show where it went into your bank account or was wired to the title company. And if you're renting or if you're refinancing, I've seen this happen several times. People won't make that payment because they're going to be making a new loan payment next month. That's a bad thing. Anytime you're doing a mortgage, make sure all your payments are made, your rent, your mortgage is all paid on time. If any of those lapse, you could have a major problem. And keep your credit perfect. You don't want to have any blips. So if there's anything that I can help you with, any questions about loan programs or the mortgage do's or don'ts, I don't want to see you sabotage your approval. Just give us a call or visit our website. The information you should see above or below this video, and we'll be happy to help you in any way possible. Have a great day. Thank you so much.